Um, all right. This how to go about the Zeta chain guide. Right. Go to guide.xyz/Zeta chain. Right. Go there. With the wallet address you use in interacting in on the Zeta chain transactions. This is what you need to do. Come right here, zoom in. Please make sure that it's on a desktop mode. Make sure it's on your desktop mode, right? So once that is done, um, you zoom in, you see the connect to wallet. Click on it, right? Oh, sorry, I have to zoom out and do that. Click on connect to wallet. Click on MetaMask. Then you just have to make sure it is that same wallet that you linked to your account, right? Click and connect, right? If you've not done it before, you can just click on join guide and get roles, right? But I have done virtually all of them, so just give it time, it will load. Okay, session expired. Okay, verify. It's because I connected with a different device, so just have to sign that. So most times, if you finish doing all these roles, like getting all these roles, right? Uh, it takes time sometimes to remember to show up on your on your Discord, right? All you have to do is click on this reload button or refresh button, then check on your Discord, you will see it. Simple, right? So that's how it's done. Then you see all these your rows on your Discord account. I don't know, maybe I should go to the Discord and show you guys how to do it. Maybe the video will be too long by then, right? Let's just go there. Let me show you. Let's go to Discord. All right. Um, so I can show you the roles and how it works, right? I think it will be better that way. That's why I always recommend you guys using Mrs. Browser. Mrs. Browser is dope, right? It's dope. All right. Okay. Let's go to the Zeta chain server, right? This is Zeta chain server, right? Once we're there, go to the GM um stuff. Let's zoom in. You can see the GN high. Let's just go say something so I can show you my right. GM send. So think yeah, this is my account. Now you can see my rows. You can see my rows here. Verify, Zeta chain supporter, beta tester. You understand? This is it. So after everything, your rows should show like this. So make sure you do that, and I wait for the instructions. Thank you.